Here we have an absolute steal for you. This is an absolute bargain, this car. It's going to be up at $29,950. This is lime gold. It's a 68 coupe with a 289, 4.7 litre engine inside under the hood. As you can see, it's got non-standard wheels on there. These are the American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels, very, very popular with Mustang owners. Really period sort of feel to them, but they are upgraded. This is a California vehicle, so it's a dry state car from San Jose. It came from factory with disc brakes up front as well. You've got a host of other options where I'll go through in a bit more detail with you in the next part of the video. But just have a look at the outside of this vehicle. The panel gaps are great for a 60-year-old car. It's got a few odd little flaws on it, but it's an absolute bargain of a car to get into and enjoy straight away. There's so much you can do to this to make it your own. So popping the hood and coming into the engine bay, you can see that the strut towers, the radiator supports, all in amazing shape for its age. You'll notice a few little upgrades on this car. So it has got the aluminium radiator and fan in there, so much better for cooling, certainly on a day like today. You've got your Edelbrock chromed air cleaner on the top there, and these lovely Ford Racing alloy rocker covers, which just really set this engine bay off. The other things you'll notice when you come under the hood here is you've got your AC pump and you've got your powered steering pump as well. So this car came from factory with those two options, which are really nice to have. So coming into the interior of the car now, this is where you're going to be when you're driving it, and what a place to be it is. You've got your lovely ivy green two-tone interior. The door cards are in great shape. The vinyl on the seats is great. The carpet's all in great shape. You'll also notice down here you've got your air conditioning controls. As I said before, this is a factory air conditioning car. It has got an aftermarket steering wheel on there, so still kept very period correct with a wood feel to it, but it's got a nice ribbing behind it. You get a good grip on this. It's a lovely feeling steering wheel. You'll also notice if I bend my knee out the way here, you've got an aftermarket rev counter down here, so that's not standard, but it's a nice addition for many. You'll also notice there's a Pioneer head unit here as well, which allows you to play MP3 files and plug in an auxiliary. The MP3 files will be on the CD player. And you've got your 4-speed auto gearbox. A very, very nice condition car, inside and out. So coming into your boot here, you can see you've got your period correct wheel cover and boot liner, the spare wheel. Common on Mustangs is the drop seals to rust away down here. These are all in really good shape as well. So if this 68 Coupe is the Mustang flavour for you, then you can't really do much better than this one for sub 30 grand. Still got the factory red oxide paint underneath. A few little upgrades in there as well. Lovely panel gaps, great colour, perfect for a car you can make into your own as you go, but you can enjoy straight away. All the details of the vehicle will be in the description below, as well as all the best ways to contact us. We look forward to seeing you on this car soon.